Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jackie Journey. In today's episode, we are doing the unboxing of the newest Rick Owens Geobasket Mega Lace in brown, the leather in brown. I never had it before, I never had the Geobasket models. As you know, in my previous videos in my channels, I have doing the videos of unboxing of like Mega Bumper, Rick Owens Mega Bumpers, in the normal latest versions. I've done the video of the Ramones with the pony hair, and I've done the video of the Timberlake low versions with the normal leather and also with the versions of the pony hair. So today is gonna be the first time in my channel that I have, and also first time for me that I will do the unboxing of the Geobasket, but especially with the Mega Lace, because I don't know, for some reason I really do love the Mega Lace versions from Rick Owens rather than the normal Ramones, the thin laces. So, and I've got the order with me here today. I also do the other camera from my iPhone just to, have like the portrait point of views. By the way, if you can see, it's actually a very good day today because it's snowing on the outside, like perfect weather to do the unboxing, right? Because what's the better day than this snowy day and you stay inside, you do the unboxing. So I order it from My Teresa, and as always, they always send you this, you know, like very nice envelope. They've done a very nice like My Teresa package. I'm curious if it's gonna be in the orange box, because usually that's what they used to send, in like a box like that. That's the box from My Teresa, and last time I ordered from them they didn't do it. And as always, I always like to be careful when I unbox the package, because I want to keep it, delicate and good experience for myself. I just love that when I unbox, all the Rick Owens, they always do like kind of a vacuum sealed. It's not a sealed box, but it feels like the air from inside the box is vacuumed. You know what I mean, right? So get the standard manuals. As always, it's a must when you buy a Rick Owens pair. You always get these manuals. It reads, this product uses leather that has been naturally treated and tanned with minimal finishing to retain the original properties of the hide. So any markings, variations in color and surface texture are not imperfections or defects, but intentional characteristics unique each to pieces. Oh my god. Look at this. Beautifully crafted. It has a sense of the usual Rick Owens rubber sense. Yeah, but this one is not a lot, like compared to the previous one that I have. It's not really strong rubber smells, rubber scents, but this is too beautiful. Like, especially on the side like this, way too beautiful. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing, and let's hope in the next video I will be able to do like a comparisons between different models. The Geobasket, I don't know if it's gonna fit me though, because normally I have like 40. It fits me well, but I feel like this kind of the Ramones or the Geobasket, I might need 41 in EU sizes. So let's see. Well, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video and comment let's create an energetic community in a positive way. Let's discuss what you like and what you don't, and what you think of the Geobasket in Mega versions. Yeah, so stay tuned and see you in the next video.